Living in New Orleans comes with many unique advantages, from its rich culture to its vibrant music scene, but it also comes with its own set of challenges, particularly when it comes to extreme weather. Hurricanes, torrential rain, and high winds are a recurring concern for homeowners in the region. As a result, storm-resistant eco-windows have become an essential feature for protecting homes from the destructive effects of severe weather. Not only do storm-resistant windows safeguard your home during storm season, but eco-friendly windows also offer significant long-term benefits, including energy efficiency, soundproofing, and enhanced comfort. In this article, we'll explore how storm-resistant eco-windows are the ideal solution for New Orleans homeowners looking to protect their homes while also contributing to a more sustainable environment. Protecting your home from extreme weather. New Orleans is no stranger to powerful storms, especially hurricanes that bring high winds, flying debris, and intense rain. Storm-resistant eco-windows are specifically designed to withstand the force of such extreme weather conditions. These windows are built with impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames, making them highly resistant to breaking when struck by debris or subjected to high winds. Laminated glass, which is commonly used in storm-resistant windows, consists of multiple layers of glass with a protective interlayer that holds the glass together even if it shatters. This makes it much more difficult for wind, rain, or debris to break through, preventing water from entering your home and reducing the risk of structural damage. Whether you're dealing with a hurricane or a strong thunderstorm, storm-resistant eco-windows provide a critical line of defense, allowing you to feel safer in your home during extreme weather events. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In addition to storm protection, eco-windows offer substantial energy savings. These windows are designed with advanced insulation properties, helping to keep your home's interior temperature more stable throughout the year. The energy-efficient technology found in these windows, such as double or triple glazing and low emissivity, low-heat coatings, minimizes heat transfer, which can lower the demand on your heating and cooling systems. In a city like New Orleans, where summer temperatures can soar and winters can occasionally bring cold fronts, having energy-efficient windows is crucial. These windows reduce your need for constant air conditioning or heating, which can help lower your utility bills. With storm-resistant eco-windows, you get the dual benefit of protecting your home from extreme weather while also increasing your home's energy efficiency. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in a city as lively as New Orleans means noise can often be a problem. Whether it's the sounds of traffic, neighborhood events, or simply the hustle and bustle of daily life. Storm-resistant eco-windows can help reduce this external noise, providing a more peaceful and quiet living space. The insulating properties of eco-windows help to block out unwanted sounds from outside, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more serene environment inside your home. The double or triple glazing used in eco-windows acts as a barrier to sound, which is especially beneficial in noisy areas or homes near busy streets. Whether you're trying to relax after a long day or have a conversation without raising your voice, the added noise reduction from storm-resistant windows significantly enhances your home's comfort. Improved home security. considering storm-resistant windows, it's important to remember that these windows offer additional security benefits. The impact-resistant glass used in storm-resistant windows makes it more difficult for intruders to break into your home. Not only does it provide protection from the elements, but it also adds an extra layer of defense against burglars, making it harder for them to access your property through the windows. Additionally, many storm-resistant windows come with stronger frames, advanced locking mechanisms, and tamper-resistant features that contribute to the overall security of your home. By upgrading to these windows, you can be confident that your home is both protected from severe weather and more secure from potential break-ins. Sustainability and eco-friendly features. As eco-conscious living becomes more of a priority for many homeowners, storm-resistant eco-windows stand out as an environmentally friendly option. These windows are designed to reduce carbon emissions by improving your home's energy efficiency and minimizing the need for energy-intensive heating and cooling. Moreover, many eco-windows are made from sustainable materials and are designed to be recyclable, making them a great option for homeowners who want to reduce their environmental footprint. By choosing eco-friendly windows, you're not only protecting your home from extreme weather but also contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. Increased property value and curb appeal. Installing storm-resistant eco-windows can also increase your home's value and curb appeal. Buyers are increasingly seeking homes with energy-efficient and weather-resistant features, especially in areas like New Orleans that are prone to hurricanes and storms. Homes with impact-resistant windows not only offer better protection during extreme weather events but also provide better long-term durability. In addition to enhancing the safety and comfort of your home, storm-resistant eco-windows improve your home's overall aesthetic. Available in a variety of styles and finishes, these windows can complement your home's design, adding to its visual appeal and increasing its marketability. Long-term durability and lower maintenance. One of the key benefits of storm-resistant eco-windows is their long-term durability. These windows are designed to stand up to the toughest conditions, whether it's extreme weather, UV exposure, or daily wear and tear. As a result, they require less maintenance and last much longer than traditional windows. By investing in storm-resistant eco-windows, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your windows will continue to perform well for years to come, saving you money on future repairs or replacements. Conclusion: protect your New Orleans home with storm-resistant eco-windows. Storm-resistant eco-windows are an excellent investment for New Orleans homeowners who want to protect their homes from extreme weather, improve energy efficiency, and increase overall comfort. These windows offer unparalleled protection against hurricanes and high winds, noise reduction, enhanced security, and eco-friendly benefits. By upgrading to storm-resistant eco-windows, you can safeguard your home from the unpredictable weather that New Orleans is known for, reduce your energy bills, and enjoy a quieter, more secure living space. Whether you're looking to increase your home's value or simply want to improve your home's overall performance, these windows are an investment that will pay off for years to come.